Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today for this week's Friday haul. It is Friday, June 14th. It is Flag Day, in case you weren't aware. My husband has an American flag necktie that he always wears today. And of course, we have all our flag stuff outside. So it's a good day to show your flag pride. But besides that, I hope you guys are doing great and that you had a wonderful week. I have a small haul this week. I expected it to be more. I had placed an order with a cherry on top last week, but they were holding it because of one item. It said like it'll take an extra few days to ship, and it took like an extra week. So anyway, that shipped, but it's not here yet. So that'll be in next week's haul. But I have a few things to share, one little crafty update, and yeah, so let's get started with these few things that I have on my desk right now. This I got at the Target dollar spot. It's a bobby pin holder, and I got this because I think it was Leanna at It's a Deal, right, Leanna? Did you show this? This was $3, and it comes in different colors, and it's magnetic. So she suggested that it would be a great way to keep track of small dies, like on your desktop. And I thought that was a wonderful idea because I am always losing dies, like little dies on my desktop or whatever. So I thought this would work out really well. And it came in this color, which of course I love. It came in pink, I almost got, but I decided to get this instead. Let me get out a little die because I have a little dish of them here. So let's see how they work. Oh, this goes, okay, yeah, it sticks really, really well. So that is awesome. Even if you wanted to put this by your die cutting machine to hold on to little dies or, bigger dies while you're die cutting and you don't lose them, that's a great idea. So thank you, I think, Leanna, for that idea. And it came in other colors too, but I just got that one. And then at Homegoods, they're continuing their Pusheen items. This is a pet bowl, and it was $3.99, but I'm going to use it also for little things on my desk or somewhere in my craft room. And, I couldn't resist Pusheen. There was also like a double cat food bowl, which I almost got for my cats, but it wasn't like the right, I don't know, I didn't think it would work for them, so I didn't get it. But yeah, this I thought I could use definitely. So yeah, isn't that adorable? So I got those two things. And let's see, I went to Dollar Tree. I got a couple things. One I think I already have, I'm not sure. I got this stamp set. It looks so familiar now that I'm looking at it. I love this rubber duck and then the flip-flops, and it comes with all of these different stamps. So I don't remember seeing it in my stamps recently though, so maybe I don't have it. I don't know. Anyway, it has really cute summer icons, and for $1.25, I thought I would pick it up. And then I got these iron-on patches. I don't know if they're new or not. My Dollar Trees don't really get the newest stuff in all the time, but these I thought were so cute. This ice cream cone with the cream and purple and pink smiley faces, and then the piece of cake too. So I'm not sure what I'm going to use these for, but I will use them for something definitely. I thought these were just so cute. So that was it from Dollar Tree. And I went to Joann's last weekend. They were having, again, their 10 for $3 sale on paper. So I got a bunch of ones that I needed to restock on. So they did add in more of their pinks. They were sold out of a lot of them last time. So Tutu Pink is one of my favorites. This is a basil paper. So I got a bunch of these. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. 6 of those, 6 Tutu Pink. So that'll keep me in that color for a while. And then I got this color, which is a little bit darker. This one is called Pinkini. I love this one too. So I got, let's see, got 2, 3, 4, I think it was 5. Yep, 5 Pinkinis. So you could see the difference, right? And then I got some of these yellows, which I already started using, obviously. But this is a good yellow. This one is called Pollen. And I got 4 of these, I think. Yeah, for those. There is another light yellow that they didn't have. I forget the name of it, but it's just such a pretty pale yellow, and I didn't even see a spot for it, so I don't know if they sell it anymore, but I'll have to look in my stash to see if I could figure out the name and maybe get it from somewhere else. And also at Joann's, I got some stickers. They have like a display with like crepe paper stickers and pebbles, just a bunch of American crafts kind of stickers. So I picked up this one. This is by Pebbles. This is their new collection, Fun in the Sun. Came out 2023, but I know the paper pad just came out this year at scrapbook.com where I got it from. So I got these stickers to coordinate. They were 40% off, so these came out to be $2 something. There wasn't even a sign on it that said it was part of the sticker sale, so I was just hoping when I got to the cash register they'd be on sale. Otherwise, I had a coupon for one of them. I got 3 different packs. But yeah, I thought that was a great deal. So it comes with all of these cardstock stickers, and there's ones on the back too. I got them because, well, I like the borders a lot. I'd like to use those on cards. I think they add a nice touch if you're using a plain color card. And there are like these flags here. Lots of cute designs. Love the watermelon and the pineapple and the roller skate. And then just some nice sentiments and just really cute stickers. I thought it was great for a $2 something. So I picked up that one. And then I got this one too. This is from crepe paper called Moonlight Magic, which is that Maggie Holmes or is it just crepe paper? I don't remember. But anyway, it's really, really pretty. I mean, these look like Maggie Holmes things. And I love the fairies. I thought those were so, so cute, right? And the pretty flowers. And this is the back. I love these borders too. So I don't even know if these are online, actually. I don't know. You know Joann's. They're just... And it was so hot in my Joann's. It was like no air circulating, and it was just... Everything's a mess still. It's kind of depressing to shop in there, but I wanted to get some paper. And then I got this one, which is called Cutie Pie, and this one came out in 2023, it says. I don't remember this collection. I assume it's Valentine's Day, but I just like the vintage look of the well, that's a bee. I thought that was a bee, but he's red. I don't know. I guess it's a bee still. But really cute, right? So I thought some of these could be used for Valentine's Day, others for just like, you know, every day, like the cherries and strawberry. And that's the back of that one. Adorable, right? Look at that guy. That's cute too. You are the sun to my shine. So I figured while I was there, and they had other ones too, and they had a bunch of thickers. So, you know, take a look in your Joann's. Like I said, it was on a separate display, like near the stickers, but not on the display of stickers. I don't know if that makes sense, but just take a look around. And then for my update, I had gotten this. I wanted to try out the Pink Butcher paper. I got this from Aldi last week. And I did make a project out of it. If you watched my Scrap Diva Designs project share video, I showed this. This I made out of the rainbow shopping bag die. That's a new die set on scrapdivadesigns.com. So it die cut really well. In case you didn't see it, I just wanted to show you here too. And it makes like a really cute paper bag. And there's tons of it on the roll. So if you want to pick that up, if it's still in your Aldi, I know it was still at my Aldi this week. Or if you got it and you didn't know if it would work, it works great. So yeah, and I think it's perfect for these shopping bags, you know. So just wanted to update you on that. And that's really all I have to share with you today. Sorry for the small haul. Like I said, I wish it was bigger. It was supposed to be. Next week should be big because I had that a cherry on top order. I have another a cherry on top pre-order, but I think that, well, I don't know when that's coming in. But anyway, there'll be one order at least. And this weekend is Father's Day. I hope you guys enjoy if you're celebrating. If you're a dad, happy Father's Day to you. My dad lives kind of far away, so I'm not going to see him this weekend, but I'll see him the next weekend. But we're going to celebrate. My husband just wants to hang out at home and have brunch, and then we're going to barbecue or cook outside steak and stuff. So should be a nice day, just quiet the way he likes it. So that's good. And besides that, I've got more crafting to do. I am guest designing for KS Craft this month, so I've been showing some things on my Instagram and on YouTube in case you missed those, and more scrap beaver designs, of course. And yeah, so that is it for today, you guys. A short and sweet haul. Thank you so much for watching. I would love it if you'd subscribe to my channel if you're not a subscriber already. I will be back soon with more crafty videos. I'd love for you to leave a comment and tell me how you're doing. And yeah, have a great weekend, everybody. I will talk to you guys soon. Take care. Bye.